Here is another lift at Gatwick Airport Train Station. This one goes down to platform 7. We're going to go down to platform 7. Liftec. Capacity 46 persons, 3,500 kgs. Lift number 12,772. Installed in 2023. Here we are at platform 7. And we're going to go up to exit and airport terminals. Nice lights! And security camera up there. And just like the other lift that went down to platforms 5 and 6, it had 2 sets of doors, which were pretty nice. Anyway, here we are at exit and airport terminals. We'll send it down to platform 7.